gitim gik magitimo nikech jomoko ng'anyo.
Nyaka sani wang'eyo ni kweth mar Azimio la Umoja nochako ng'anyo tarik 20 mano wuok tich mokalo. Wuok tich jumani bende jopiny no dhi ndara. Odiochieng' ma kawuono bende jo Azimio kaachiel kod jopiny biro dhi ndara. Nitiere gigo mopogore opogore ma bende jo Azimio no keto piny. Mar mondo mi gidwaro ni oket kare ka kamano to gibiro bedo ka ging'anyo. Recho ka chako korka kori ang'e ni in nyaka sani yiengori ok Recho. Agnes, kachako kodi, ang'e ni yiengori korka Azimio la Umoja. Nyaka sani ng'anyo makamagi, gibiro dhi mbele ponono kuom thuolo maromo nade. Kalure ni nyaka sani adiera gigo ma jo Azimio dwaro, pok waneno kata chiel koket kare.
Erokamano, I want to correct that. I don't egemea. I'm Kenyan citizen.
In a Kenyan citizen.
Who has a right to voice what I believe. Gino nyalo bet what I believe and side mar Azimio. So that's why you are saying I'm on the side of the Azimio. Lakini gimadwa konjo Kenya ni I am a woman who fights for justice. And there cannot be peace without justice. Kanyi thinda kawuono nindo cage. In a government that said 100 days, before 100 days, mogobo the pain to mogopoko the pain. I have a right to say this is wrong. Can't take government Momedo Jipra Beach from 25 NCS. What are they doing in office? I want to ask this government, what are they doing in office? Why don't we look that is affecting our people? What are they doing that is different? Because the very president that we have was in the other government that we just ended. Kor emadwa kon President William Ruto en ngat mawinjo wach owinje gima jopiny wacho. Ngima komedore kata nyithindo ma Recho wacho nyalo dhi e school. Okay, you cannot take hungry children to school. Sani taxes omedore mang'eny. Kata fundi matwango lewni e dala omedin taxes. We can't continue that way. Gimadwa kwayo jo UDA mantiere. Give this government that is in place today. Think about the manifesto. Giyawe manifesto manegi wacho nwandalo election. Mondo gingie kaka manifesto no chalo. The next thing that I want to say here. Onge kaka Recho wacho ni onge ngato manyalo goyi gi kidi kokitimo gimoro. That's a lie, and that's a lie that is being perpetuated, and that kidi is always associated with the Luos. That's a wrong thing. Tadokwero Recho. Don't fight your brother. Don't go to the side of the enemy when you are fighting your brother. Nikejo luwe mwacho ganuwa ni mwalu witoga kiti. Koro kata maandamano no, josiko mana Raila. Raila is not a Luo. Raila is a statesman. What he's fighting for is what Agnes Obire studio ka. Ni yawa, government mar President William Ruto. No kono ni koketo moma pain, to mogo the pain, to fuel the pain. It's an world economical thing. But each country has to think what is the first thing. Is it ballooning a government, or kose wangie gik bathago jopinyo waketie itwa kikwabed people who are creating violence wabedi jomanyalo bet piny mawinjire mawachni kae ondamoni to kwadhie maber. Gima the opposition is there to pit the government of the day on its feet, to see that what is doing is wrong. What you promise the people, can you do it? It's over 100 days. So how many days do we have to wait? I'm asking. How many days? It's very sad. I feed 25 prostitutes. And so painful that before we used to give them 4,000 a week. Now that 4,000 is not enough.
Manoka luo record pek marangima.
Pek marangima.
Kwa winja ne korka Recho.